Hi everyone, how are you? Hope you're doing great. And today I want to talk about a picture that has been chasing me for years. During this time I took several shots like the one I'm just showing on the screen. I really like it, but as you can see the lower part is like this mess that destroyed the composition. I don't want to use any eye, for fixing it. But eventually I think I got the right one, and today I want to talk the shot through with you and explain how I got to this result. Let's go! We are in West End Theatre District in London, where there are 40-ish theatres, but this specific one always captured my interest. And after a couple of failed attempts, I was able to find the right composition. I took the shot and it was great, I love it. So let me show you what was my decision, my process, and also why I like it so much. The picture tells a story with so many details. First of all, it says, we are in London, there is no doubt about it. And it's not because of the theater that obviously most of you don't know it, but it's because of the phone booth that you have on the picture. That's London. Second, it says it was raining before, right? Like 30 minutes before. The street, the road is still wet, but the people are dressing for spring, summertime. So there is information about when this shot was taken. And third, there is the theater. The theater is small, but is lovely. The signs are amazing. It seems like it came out from a 17 movie. I love it. There is this gentleman talking on the phone and leaning against the lamppost. His position is perfect. It's matching the golden ratio, and also it's containing on the right side the other important subject of the picture, which is the theater. It's 6:28 p.m. and the light is amazing. It's still far away from the sunset, but you can tell from the long shadow on the pavement that the sun is low in the sky. And also, it's hitting only the pavement. There is no light. The road and the theater, they are on the shadow, so basically the only one on the stage is the man. I took this shot with my Fujifilm X-H2S along with 23mm 1.4 RLMWR. The focus point and the exposure point is the same, which is the man talking on the phone. I took this picture in aperture priority, and I decided to have the maximum aperture because I was trying to isolate the subject from the rest of the scene. I knew that being a little bit far away, even if in 1.4, the theater would still be on focus, not as sharp as the subject, but you can still see it, right? Being in aperture priority, the camera pick up automatically the ISO, that is the lower one, 160, and the shutter speed, which is 2400. I hope that going through the process of taking this shot was useful and that you learned something. If you have any comments, suggestions, if you like the shot or not, let me know in the comments. Or maybe you already have taken a photo of this amazing theater. I would love to see it. I think we can wrap it up there, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!